I have a great video for you guys today. I am revealing one of my top strategies for easily generating passive income each month. Literally anybody can do this. You don't have to sell anything. You don't really have to have any background knowledge with technology, with sourcing, with business, with anything. If you're looking for an easy stream of revenue month after month that you can count on, then I guarantee you're not going to want to miss this video. But before I reveal to you one of the easiest ways that I make money, first I have to get to the drawing. If you didn't already know, ProfitGuru, my favorite software to source Amazon products, is now offering their membership completely for free. And because I know how awesome this opportunity is, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it, my last video, I asked you guys to sign up. Those of you that did and commented down below, we are going to choose a winner right now for an Amazon gift card. Congratulations, you are the winner. Thank you so much for signing up to ProfitGuru and for sharing it with other sellers. All you have to do to claim your prize is in the next 24 hours, message me on Instagram. From there, I'll get your information and I will send you your Amazon gift card. Now, if you were not able to get in on that drawing, that's okay because we're doing it again right now. I want as many of you as possible to sign up for ProfitGuru because it's completely free and it is the only software that you need no matter what type of selling model you're doing on Amazon. Be it arbitrage, wholesale, private label, they've got you covered. And literally no other Amazon sourcing software offers free membership like this. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So right now, click on the link that you'll find in the description of this video and sign up for your completely free account. When you do that, let me know in the comments. By doing so, you are entered to win the next Amazon gift card. As many people that comment on this post that they signed up is going to be the value of the gift card. So if 50 people comment that they signed up, then the gift card that I will be spinning for in 3 days will be $50. If 100 people comment that they signed up, then the gift card value will be $100, and so on. Also, don't forget, just like last time, if you have somebody that could benefit from this free software, share it with them. Let me know down below when you do, and that's going to get you an additional entry into the drawing, hence an additional chance to win. All right, so let's get into the topic of this video. This is another way that I use ProfitGuru to make me money that is passive. Now, if you've never heard of passive income before, passive means that you do the work one time and you never touch it again, but it keeps bringing you money month after month. Passive income is how the rich get rich. There are only so many hours in a day. So in order to get rich, we need to figure out ways that we can bring in money when we're not on the clock. Ways that we don't have to trade time for money. And this is one of those ways. What I'm talking about here is the Amazon Influencer Program. It is super easy to get approved for, and all that you have to do is make honest review videos about products you have laying around your house. If it's sold on Amazon, you can in fact make a video about that product. Then, when a customer watches your video before placing the order for that product, you're going to get a commission for influencing the sale. I make review videos like this all the time. I put in the work once, I uploaded it to my Amazon storefront, and it lives there forever. People are watching that video literally while I'm sleeping. Hence, making money while you're sleeping, it literally is a true concept. When I wake up in the morning, people have clicked on my Amazon storefront, they have watched my videos, they have purchased products on Amazon. I influence that sale, so Amazon rewards me with commissions. And you can be taking advantage of this too. Now, where does ProfitGuru come in hand with this? Well, I like to use the completely free software to find me products that are in high demand. Commissions are based on sales with the Amazon Influencer Program. So the more sales that you have, the higher your commissions are. Therefore, I like to use ProfitGuru to guide me to the products that are selling the best. This way, I'm not using biased opinions. Just because I like a product doesn't mean that hundreds of thousands of other people like that product and are buying it. By setting in some filters into Profit Guru, I'm able to easily find products that are selling extremely well on Amazon, that have a strong sales volume and a strong number of sales per month. Then I'm able to get my hand on these products and make a review video for it. Super easy, a 1-minute honest review. It's going to live on that listing page forever. And every time somebody watches my video before making their purchase, I'm getting a commission. Profit Guru is telling me exactly which products are in high demand and which ones are selling fast. These are the products that I want to make review videos on. And by doing this, I am able to grow my passive income substantially month after I make more and more review videos every single day. So easy, literally anybody can do it. Right now, click in the description, go to Profit Guru and sign up for that free account. Then go to Amazon and sign up for their influencer program. Quick recap, you're going to use the free Profit Guru software to lead you to the products that sell the best on Amazon. Get these products in hand, make a very quick, honest review video about these products, and put them on your Amazon influencer storefront. It's going to go onto the listing for the product, and anyone that watches that video and makes a purchase, you're going to earn commissions from. So even if you're not selling on Amazon, you still need Profit Guru. Literally anybody does. Anybody that wants to make extra income off of Amazon. I get Amazon to pay me for my opinion. Profit Guru shows me the products that are selling the fastest. I get my hands on them, make a review video, and Amazon is paying me for influencing sales. It honestly does not get much easier than this. So what are you waiting for right now? Sign up for that Profit Guru account and let me know down below when you do. So in 3 days, I will see you back here and see if you are the lucky one randomly selected to win the next Amazon gift card. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you are going to decide to say yes to passive income, sign up for Amazon influencers, sign up for your completely free Profit Guru account, and let the magic happen. Find the products that are selling well, make those quick review videos, and get paid. View after view, purchase after purchase. Online shopping really is the future, and now is the time to compensate on this. Be one of the first to realize this and take advantage of this so that you can reap the benefits. All right, now stop watching this video, go to Profit Guru right now and sign up for that free account, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to let me know down below when you do so that you're in the drawing.